The highway leads you all the way from Kuala Lumpur up north to Penang, which is about 400 kilometers away from Kuala Lumpur, and you basically just have to go straight all the way up north. You obviously cannot have a road trip without gas station stops and junk food. So I got some traditional Malaysian kaya buns, which I love.
I don't know why they call them crackers. They're prawn chips. I ate them in Thailand as well. Not this brand, but like...
Just stopping along the way was a big attraction for me itself, because gas stations in Malaysia look nothing like what I'm used to. Everything was just so interesting to me and was so different and so colorful. And the best thing was that you could get so many exotic fruits.
These mangoes are from Thailand. Okay, so this is the bridge.
I swear we're taking a different bridge.
After a 4-hour drive, we arrived in Georgetown. We were